Good morning students, this is computer and children, I am your computer teacher and my name is Miss Khushbu. I am your computer teacher and children, this is your computer book. The name of your computer book is Computer Zone. Children, in this video you will study first lesson of your computer that is given on page number 3. And the name of the lesson is A Computer is a Machine. The name of the lesson is A Computer is a Machine. And children, what are the things you will study in this video? First thing that you will study in this video is human made things. Human made things. All things that are made by us, all things that are made by man, they are called human made things. This you will study. Second, you will study about natural things. Things that are found in nature. We cannot make things that are found in nature. Okay, like rocks, rivers, mountains, sun, cloud, trees, birds. Can we make all these things, children? We cannot make, and these things are found in nature, so they are called natural things. Third thing, now children, you will study about machines. Okay, nowadays children, machines are very important and machines are made by humans, so machines are human made things. And then children, you will study about computer. Computer, and children, computer is a machine. Computer is a machine and computer is a human made thing, because nature has not made computer. Children, we have made the computer, and so computer is a human made things. Children, all these points you will study in this lesson. Now let us study from the book.
This is your computer book, that is Computer Zone. We will come on the first lesson. A computer is a machine. This is the name of the first lesson. A computer is a machine. So very important, I have already told you to learn the spelling of computer. Now you will also learn the spelling of machine. Now the very first thing you will learn in this lesson is human made things, that is also called man made things. That is also called man-made things. What are man-made things, or what are human-made things? Now, things that are made by man, things that are made by us, like whatever things that we have made. So you look in your room, just see in your room, you will find so many things around you, like TV, refrigerator, almirah, books, fan, tube light, light, mixer, and many more things like books, pencil, bag. All these things man has made, so these things are called human made things. Very important, these things are called human made things, also called man made things. So few examples are given: telephone, books, toy, and chair. Few examples I will show you more. Human made things, like I have made fan, house, pencil, and whatever things that you see around is man made things. Now this is the very first point that you will learn, human made things made by man. Will come down. Now some things are found in nature. These things are not made by humans. We cannot make these things, like this is sun. Can we make sun? No. Can we make animal? No. Horse, rock, tree. Can we make all these things? No, we cannot make all these things, and these things are found in nature, or you can say these things are created by nature. So these things are called natural things. These things are called natural things. These things are called natural things, things that are found in nature or things that are created by nature are called natural things. I will show you a few more examples. River, bird, flower, animal, clouds, trees, birds, and sun, rain, everything, water. These all things are created by nature. They are natural things. They are natural things. So in the very first lesson, you have studied two things: human made things and natural things. Come on the next page. Now check your progress means what you have studied in the previous page. You have to check it. The heading is write H for human made things. Write H for human made things and write N for natural things. Write N for natural things. First one is bird. Can we make bird? Can we make bird? No. Bird is created by nature. So bird is N. N for natural things. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker is created by nature? No. Humans have made this. Pressure cooker are made by humans. So this is human made thing. You will write there H. Camera, it is made by humans. You will write there H. Flower. Can we make flower? No. Flower is a natural thing created by nature. Bag is also a human made things, and car is also human made things. We'll come down, very important line. Now whatever things humans have made, it is divided into two parts. First one is machine. First one is machine. I'll show you a few examples. I'm keeping a pencil. This is marker, sketch pen and eraser, and this is phone. All these things are created by, all these things are made by humans. All these things are made by humans. But this is not machine. Eraser, pencil, marker, sketch pen. This is not machine, whereas phone, this is machine. You will find many more machines made by human at your home also. That is television. That is machine. Refrigerator is a machine. Air conditioner, it is a machine. And mixer grinder, it's a machine. Cooler, it's a machine. Washing machine, it's a machine. Computer, machine. Laptop, machine. And many more other things that you will find at your home is a machine. These things are not machine, remember. This is machine, and whatever example I have told you, that is machine. Now I will give you few work that you will do at home, few homework. First one is learn the spelling of computer. Learn the spelling of machine. Humans and natural. Things. 5 spelling. You write 10 times and you learn it at home. Remember, you write these spellings in your rough copy. 5 spelling you write in your rough copy. Write these spelling 10 times and learn. Computer, machine, humans, natural and things. Thank you.